Hello students, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that's Akifa's Commerce Classes. So in today's session we'll study about profit and loss appropriation accounts. In my previous videos also I have taught you about how to solve the profit and loss appropriation accounts. So every sum that I teach or every problem that I solve on profit and loss appropriation account, there is something different in the problem. Okay. So in this problem also there is a little bit of twist or a different thing that might confuse you all. Okay. So that's why I have taken up this problem. So let's begin. The question reads as A and B are partners who started business on 1st April 2018. They contributed rupees 6 lakh and 4 lakh as their capital. Okay. The term of partnership agreement are as follows. Interest on capital and drawings both are 6% per annum. B is to get rupees 2500 as monthly salary. Third is the profit or loss will be shared in the ratio of their capital. Okay, so this is a new thing here because in all the previous problems that we solved, we saw that a ratio was given to us. Okay, but in this particular problem, the ratio is not given to us as it is written that the profit or loss ratio will be according to their capital. Okay. Fourth is net profit was rupees 2,07,400. Fifth is the drawings of A and B were 48,000 and 40,000. And the sixth is interest on drawing was rupees 1,500 and rupees 1,100 for A and B. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So students, we know that first we have to write the heading, that is profit and loss appropriation account, then particulars amount, particulars and amount. We will always start with the credit side. We know that on the credit side we have to record the profit. So according to point number 4, our net profit is 2,07,400. Okay. Then the next thing that we record is the interest on drawings. So when you all see that point number 5, it says that the drawings were 48,000 and 40,000. And point number 1 says that interest on drawing was 6%. So when we just read this much, we feel that we have to calculate 6% on 48 and 40,000. But then when we read point number 6, it says that interest on drawing is 1,500 and 1,100. It means that it is already calculated and we do not have to calculate it again. So now I will ask that if it is already given, then why did the amount of drawings or why did the percentage of interest on drawings is mentioned? It's usually given in order to confuse the students. Okay. So students, we have to remember that whenever interest on drawings amount is directly given, we have to just write that amount. Okay. So according to the problem, the amount that we have is 1,500 and 1,100. So we'll record it in the inner column and then total it up and write in the outside column, which comes to rupees 2,600. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll add both the amounts, that is 2,07,400 and 2,600. When we add this two, it comes to 2,10,000. Okay. So now moving on to the debit side, it says that B has to get salary of rupees 2,500 per month. Okay. We know that whenever per month is mentioned, we have to convert it into years. So total months we have is 12. So B's salary will be 2,500 into 12, which comes to 30,000. Okay. Then next we have interest on capital. The capitals were contributed as 6 and 4 lakhs and the percentage is 6%. So here itself I have given the working note. I have showed you all the calculation. For A it is 6 lakh into 6%, which comes to 36,000. For B it is 4 lakhs into 6%, which comes to 24,000. So when you add 36 plus 24,000, it comes to 60,000. Okay. So after this we see that all these things that are given are recorded. So what is the next step? The next step is to balance it. So this side we have already balanced and we got this amount. So this side what we need to do is, here we have 30,000, here we have 60,000. So add this up, it will be 90,000. So this 90,000 should be subtracted from 2,10,000. So the answer that you will get is 1,20,000. Okay. So how did we get this answer? By adding this up and then subtracting it from this amount. Okay. So the amount is rupees 1,20,000. Now the next thing that we require is the ratio. So here the ratio is not given, but it's said that the losses or the profit are shared in the capital. Now for this what we have to do is we have to write the capital of A and B, that is 6 lakhs and 4 lakhs. Okay. Then you subtract the zeros, you cancel it because here there are 5 zeros, here also 5 zeros. So cancel all the zeros. What is left is 6 and 4. Okay. Then we have to see in which table we have 6 and 4 coming together. So you can take it as 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So the answer that we are left with is 3:5. So this is our ratio. And what I said, when we have ratio, what we have to do is we have to add it up. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So the denominator will be 5. So A's ratio will be 3 by 5, B will be 2 by 5. So here I have showed you all the calculations. 1,20,000 into 3 by 5 is 72,000. 1,20,000 into 2 by 5 is 48,000. So when you add this up, it has to come to 1,20,000. Okay. So students, remember that this amount, how did we get it? We got it by minusing debit and credit. Okay. So this is the balancing figure which we got by subtracting this amount and this amount. So this is 1,20,000. So when you all find it, or when you all distribute in the ratio, this answers that you will get, when you add this up, it has to come to 1,20,000. If adding this amount and this amount does not give you 1,20,000, it means you have made a mistake. Okay. So after writing this amount, then you add all the three amounts, 1, 2 and 3. It will come to rupees 2,10,000. Okay. So this is how you are supposed to solve profit and loss appropriation accounts. Okay. So these problems are actually really easy, but sometimes they are a little bit tricky, or they are framed in such a way that the student gets confused. Okay. I hope that you all have understood this problem. If there are any questions or any queries, then please put it down in the comment section. Also, if you liked today's video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.